The Shameless star, pictured 54, had performed in a pantomime production of Sleeping Beauty at a theater in Barrow-in-Furness, Cumbria, when police were tipped off by staff. Staff reportedly tipped off police after suspecting the 54-year-old actress had taken cocaine during both rehearsals and performances. And a show insider told the Mirror the mother was behaving diva-ish and constantly complaining about the accommodation the theater had put her up in. She was photographed between performances last night wearing her costume while walking back from a nearby McDonald's restaurant. She tried to get a taxi, but police stopped her in time and took her inside the venue to search her. Cumbria police said. Police were called at 8:21 p.m. yesterday, the 22nd of December, to the report of a female being in possession